Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw loan funds safely with Rocket Mortgage Escrow, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an active account with Rocket Mortgage. Log into your Rocket Mortgage account using your credentials. Navigate to the section labeled Loan Services on the dashboard. Select the option for Escrow Management. Familiarize yourself with the escrow process outlined on the web page. Locate the specific loan for which you want to withdraw funds. Review the available escrow balance to ensure sufficient funds. Click on the option to withdraw funds. Provide the required details for the withdrawal request. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw from the escrow account. Indicate the purpose of the withdrawal, such as repairs or renovations. Attach any necessary documentation to support your request. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Submit your withdrawal request for processing. Wait for a confirmation email regarding the status of your withdrawal. If approved, follow any instructions provided for disbursing the funds. If the request is denied, review the reasons given and address any issues. Consult the Rocket Mortgage customer service if you encounter any difficulties. Keep a record of all communications regarding your escrow withdrawal. Monitor your escrow balance following the withdrawal to ensure it reflects the change. Maintain regular updates on your loan services dashboard for future needs. By following these steps, you will successfully withdraw funds from your Rocket Mortgage escrow account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.